Hello, today I'm going to show you how to design your own template to create drawings similar to this one. Let's open a new document. Set the fill to none and leave the stroke black. Let's zoom out. Next, select the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line. Be sure the line is selected and align it horizontally and vertically to the center of your artboard. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl F to paste it in front. Let's rotate the copied line by 90 degrees. Now select the paintbrush tool and draw a line that crosses this axis. Next, open the sublayers of layer 1 and select everything. Click on this circle to target layer 1. It should change to a double circle. If we skip this turn, our template won't work properly. Next, go to Effect, Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Choose Reflect X from the options and change the copies to 1. Click OK. Next, go to Effect again, Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Now click on Apply New Effect. Let's create 12 partitions. To do this, type 360/12 into the angle window. And now press the Tab key on your keyboard to let Illustrator do the math for you. Next, highlight the number in the Copies window and using the up arrow key on your keyboard, add 11 more copies. To create a more dense design, adjust the angle and copies value. Next, we'll create extra guides. First, let's create a new layer. Lock layer 1 and be sure layer 2 is selected. Let's pick a different stroke color. Switch to the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line. Be sure it is aligned to the center of the artboard. Now select the line and then press the letter R for the Rotate tool. This puts a rotation point in the exact center of our line. Press Enter and type 360/48 into the angle window. Now press the Tab key to see the angle's value. Click Copy and then press the Ctrl and D keys on your keyboard 2 times. Let's select the first line and delete it. We won't need it anymore. Select all red lines and let's create more copies. Press Enter. First, change the angle to 30 and then click Copy. Now press Ctrl D 4 more times. Let's lock layer 2 and create a new layer. Select a different stroke color and using the ellipse tool, draw a circle the diameter of the artboard's width. Make sure it is aligned to the center. Next, press the letter S for the Scale tool. Press Enter and change the tab value to 90%. You can experiment with different values to make your design more or less dense. Now press Ctrl D several times to repeat the last step. Let's unlock layer 1. Next, we'll create a triangular clipping mask to keep our design clean. Whatever a clipping mask covers will be visible, and whatever is not covered will be hidden. Be sure layer 1 is selected and switch to the pen tool. Let's choose a different stroke color. Start drawing a mask from the exact center of your artboard. Now click on this intersection, next on this one, and close the path at the center again. To check if this point is in the center, first zoom in, hide the blue and red guides, and press the Ctrl and Y keys on your keyboard to have a better view. This looks good. Let's turn off the outline mode. Now, with layer 1 still selected, click on the third icon from the bottom to make a clipping mask. Switch to the paintbrush tool and create a test line. This looks good. I'm going to delete this new path and the other one as well. Let's unlock layer 3 and 2, turn on their visibility and bring them to the bottom. To change the thickness of the guidelines, first select everything and now adjust the weight. Now lock layer 2 and 3, these two paths and the clipping path to prevent them from moving. Change the stroke to black and we are ready to create our design. Let's delete it. Be sure to save this template for future use. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this design. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.